This Feipone Granite stir-fry wok is a great helper in the kitchen. It boasts a 12.5-inch size, which is perfect for making meals for your family. The 6-quart capacity means you can cook a lot of food at once. This Feipone Granite stir-fry wok comes with a lid. The lid helps to trap heat and moisture for even cooking. This pan has a non-stick granite coating. Because of this, your food will slide right out. Cleaning is also a breeze, and it saves you time after cooking. The induction bottom works on different stovetops. You can use it on glass, ceramic, and gas stoves. This makes the Feipone Granite stir-fry wok very versatile. It is a good investment for any home chef. This Feipone Granite stir-fry wok is also PFOA-free. This means it is made without harmful chemicals. The pan aims to make cooking easier and healthier. If you are looking for a reliable wok, this could be it. It combines convenience with safety for your peace of mind. It might just become one of your favorite things in the kitchen. Pros: less oil needed, food slides well, lightweight design, comfortable handle, stays cool handle, heats quickly, heats evenly, induction ready, works on gas, works on electric, works on ceramic, large 6 quarts size, includes a lid, PFOA-free. Cons: can't handle high heat well, needs gentle hand washing, not dishwasher safe, avoid metal utensils, coating can scratch easily, potential for toxic fumes if overheated, may not brown food well, limited lifespan compared to other types. Features: non-stick surface, granite coating, includes a lid, 12.5-inch size, 6-quart capacity. Induction bottom, works on gas stoves, works on ceramic tops, works on glass tops, PFOA-free. This Feipone wok is a 12.5-inch pan with a 6-quart size. Good for making food for a small group. It has a non-stick surface with a granite-like coating, so food doesn't stick easily. It comes with a lid to cover your food while it cooks. The bottom of the pan is made for all kinds of stoves, including induction, gas, ceramic, and glass. It's also made without PFOA, which is a chemical some people worry about. This Feipone non-stick wok is a large 12.5-inch pan with a 6-quart capacity and a lid. Designed for easy cooking with less oil as food slides easily on its granite surface. It's lightweight, heats up quickly and evenly, and has a comfortable, cool touch handle. This wok is versatile, working on induction, gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops, and is PFOA-free. However, it's not good with high heat, needs gentle hand washing, isn't dishwasher safe, and requires the use of non-metal utensils to prevent scratching its coating, which could potentially release toxic fumes if overheated. And it might not brown food well with a shorter lifespan compared to other woks.